Do you know what number this is? Let's see how many frogs it takes to make this number complete. I'll put that number there. Now let's count out these frogs. 1, 2. Oh, I saw it move a little bit. 3. Oh, hey, the scale is evening out. That means there are 3 frogs. Let's do this number next. It looks like a big number, but let's see how many frogs it takes to even the scale. 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's a lot of frogs. Oh, I saw it move. 6. Hey, the scale is even now. That's the number 6. I think I know what this number is, but let's put it on the scale and find out. Count. 1. Oh, that was it. That's the number 1. And now the scale is even. What about this number? Let's put it over there and let's find out what number that is. 1, 2. I wonder if it's going to even. Number 3. I saw it move. 4. Hey, that's the number 4. It took 4 frogs. Do you know what number this is? Let's put it over here and find out. Okay, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a lot of frogs. 6, 7. Are we almost there? Oh, I saw it move. 8. Yes, that's the number 8. I wonder what happens if we put one more frog on. No, that's wrong. That's 9 frogs, and that's too heavy for the number 8. Let's try this number. Okay, I'm going to put it right there, and you know what to do. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. I saw it move. 5. That's it. That's the number 5. What about this number? I'm going to put it over here. It's kind of heavy. I think I have to lay it down or else it's going to fall down. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are we almost there? Oh, it moved. Not quite yet. Let's do one more. 9. That's the number 9 with 9 frogs. Let's try this number. Put it over here. It seems heavy. I wonder how many frogs that'll take. 1, 2. Hey, that's the number 2. It only took 2 frogs. Okay, you did great. Let's take these frogs off. What about this number? Okay, we're almost done. Let's put it right here. Is it going to stand up on its own? No, we'll lay it down. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I think we're almost there. 7. That's it. That's the number 7. Even though it's laying down. Let's put that straight up. There we go. And last but not least, I'll bet you know what that number is. But don't give it away. It's a surprise. Let's count and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are we almost there? Oh, it's moving. 10. Here we go. Yes, that's the number 10. You did great today. Thanks for your help.